Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can clear your browsing history on Google Chrome permanently and for good without any technical knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get right into this. So what you want to do here on your Chrome browser is click on these three dots in the top right, and either you access your browser settings. However, if that's too complicated, simply use that option here inside the drop-down menu, delete browsing data. You may do that by clicking on it or by using the shortcut Ctrl-Shift and delete on your keyboard. Alternatively, Command-Shift-Delete if you're using a Mac. So if you click on it, you will be redirected to that window here. So here you will be given the opportunity to switch between basic browsing data deletion as well as advanced. So let me go with advanced because it gives you access to more sections of your browsing data you may delete. Like for example, start with the time range. If you'd like to delete your entire or clear your entire browsing data, make sure that you select all time. Alternatively, you may leave it at the last 4 weeks, 7 days, or delete the browsing data from the last 24 hours or even the last 60 minutes. So let me go with all time. And then the last step, guys, select the parts of your browsing data you would like to delete, like your history, like your download history, like your cookies, like cached images and files, like saved passwords, autofill data, and so on and so forth. And then the last step, confirm by clicking on delete data here to get rid of that data. Bear in mind though, guys, that if you delete all of these features here or these sections, especially the autofill and passwords, you will automatically get logged out of any websites you're currently logged in here on Google Chrome, so that you will have to log in again on the given site or application. That's it, guys. That's how to do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.